Show him how to aim it, though.
Oh, how do I aim?
Watch.
Alright, no, wait a minute.
Show him, Steve. Show him how to aim.
Use the.
Is it Steven's turn?
Yeah,
Wait,
because he's past the hole.
Shh. Shh. You're hitting to
I'm
the
not gonna
right,
mess
so I
with you. I'm just
suggest
sitting here.
moving it to the left.
Oh, you use this little dealio.
Yeah, to change it on that map. And
That would help.
then,
Alright, guys. Shh.
Quiet, please.
You know he's gonna like hit you or something.
now I gotta hit it.
3.
So yeah, if you look here, 3 dots. So you gotta get it within that range.
Oh. Why didn't you tell him that in the beginning?
Well, because he just wanted to hit it.
Aww.
Oh!
This is how real men golf. On a TV screen.
Oh.
Alright, Chris, it's
Do
your
it
turn.
Happy Gilmore style. Get a running start.
Dude, don't knock over my TV. That thing weighs a ton. Oh.
Alright.
So
Oh,
I think
that's
I'm on-
therapy. We're
And you can
watching.
switch clubs by
We're
going down.
watching, baby.
Oh, really?
Will you just let him hit?
Wedge,
Right
iron,
behind me.
driver. I don't know
Dude,
driver.
driver's gonna take you.
What do you
way
think, an iron?
up. Go for wedge. Look
No,
at
you
wedge.
need a
What's the
wedge.
distance on the
Wedge.
wedge? Wedge is the shortest
Oh,
distance you're
that-
gonna get.
Good idea.
2.5.
Alright, Chris.
So what do we want? Do we want full distance here? I don't get it.
No,
You want to get
2.5.
2. Yeah, about 2.5. So you want to go. See 1.
I would have
2
never
and a
picked
half,
up on that.
And there's 1.
Each
2.
dot is about
So you
it's
wanna
about
go-
25 yards
Yeah.
on it.
That's your strength.
So I want to go
meter,
2.5.
Yeah.
Let's see here.
Move, Steven! Steven,
So
move!
practice a 2.5 shot,
Cripe.
or at least a 2 is close enough.
I need a picture.
Oh God.
That would have been 75 yards. That's good because you're going downhill too.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? This is the real deal.
Now you hook to the right, so you might want to aim to your left.
Dude, you like whacked it.
Say whale on it?
Yeah.
Not as aiming for the sand.
You gotta go again.
He wants to It's got like 10 pounds. Yeah, I did.
When you were what, golfing?
Yeah, I hurt my arm. Since I-
Wait, I don't know which side I should go on for this. So I can see the screen too.
I've never done this, stupid.
So what are we doing?
Just hit.
Do I have
Just
to hit A?
No.
Hit any button, just
punch.
punch.
Just
Not me.
punch, 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 punch. Like a lot.
He's gonna wear his damn arm out.
Oh my god. Look at Steven dodging.
Wait, who's who?
Who's who? I don't know.
He won't quit dodging. I can't.
Who's getting their ass beat?
Oh my God.
This is what happens when motorcyclists have nothing else to do. They pretend to box.
God.
Now they're so tired they have to use strategy.
That's all right.
Now boys are gonna have to kiss and make up.
Oh my
You
God.
were practicing.
Wait, that wasn't even the real game?
That was the practice. Warm up.
Are you guys tired now?
Hold up, I gotta knock him out.
Oh yeah, get it.
Moving awfully slow, Steve.
You better start hitting there, you're not gonna get up. Hey.
Oh, I'm stuck on the other camera. Sarah, are you enjoying this? Alright, you guys are done.